Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce for CRM solutions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Salesforce for your CRM solutions, start by visiting the Salesforce website. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required fields in the registration form. Provide your name, email address, and company information. Select a memorable password that meets Salesforce's security requirements. Once completed, click on the Start Free Trial button. You'll receive a confirmation email from Salesforce. Check your email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the Salesforce login page. Enter your email and newly created password to log in. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the Salesforce setup. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available. Next, go to the app launcher located in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the app launcher and select Sales or the specific app you wish to use. To customize your Salesforce instance, navigate to the Setup section. In the Setup menu, you can configure user profiles, roles, and data settings. Start by adding users who will have access to the CRM system. Click on Users under the Manage Users section. Fill in the user details and save the information. Next, set up or import your existing data into Salesforce. You can use the Data Import Wizard for an easy data transfer process. Follow the prompts to map your data fields correctly. Once the data is imported, verify its accuracy. To maximize your CRM capability, explore the various features provided by Salesforce. Consider setting up dashboards and reports to track performance. Finally, invite your team to explore and use the platform. Regularly check for updates and new features to enhance your CRM experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.